You are with ProjectHowTo, and today I'm gonna show you a level 2 back workout from the series Workouts for Every Level of Preparedness. This workout is an ideal progression from the level 1 back workout that I just showed you in one of my previous videos. The workout will consist of 4 exercises. Each will last a minute, followed by 15 seconds rest. What you can do at the end of the 4th exercise is take yourself a longer rest of 60 seconds and then repeat all 4 exercises for another 4 rounds. Now let's get started. The first exercise is 1 arm shoulder shrugs. We're gonna go on a front support and we're gonna execute the shoulder shrugs. So we're gonna do one for 30 seconds, then the other. Okay, now we're gonna get 15 seconds rest and we're gonna do the next exercise, for which we're gonna use our trustworthy bed sheet. We're gonna lay it down and we're gonna do elbow slides. Okay, let's get another 15 seconds rest, and the next exercise is going to be back arches with the arms down. Okay, and we're gonna get another 15 seconds rest, and this exercise is pulse. So we're gonna step a little bit further from the door and go. Okay, and those were the 4 level 2 back workout exercises from the series workouts for every level of preparedness. As I said at the beginning, what you can do is just at the end, if you want to get the results faster, at the end of the 4th exercise, rest for a little bit longer and then repeat all 4 exercises for another 4 rounds. And that was from me for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!